of their players.
Unang possession napunta sa mga nakaputing. Raynor Shine allows to Painter. Kinyan inside immediately. Papunta kay Jervy Cruz, and the man who hardly misses. Jervy gets the first 2 points of this game.
Well, that's still a very nice high-low play there. You have Kinyahan coming to the top of the floor. He's a pretty good three-point shooter. And then Jervy diving in hard. That's another problem for the expansion teams like Kia and Blackwater. They don't really have a lot of big men, especially tough big men that have the ability to block shots. So, you know, they're very susceptible to players that know how to play well on the inside.
Quickly into this ball game, 20 seconds in, at 3-0 na agad dahil foul counted para kay Jervy. Angelus Box Raimundo kicks it out. Rael Cervantes na agawan, up ahead. Dito kay Jaire Ibanez, finishes with the left hand, 5-0 na.
You can see all business dito on Raynor Shine at the start of the first quarter. Unlike in Blackwater, they were trailing for 3 quarters in that ball game before coming on with a big surge in the fourth. So they want to get off to a good start here, Charlie.
Outside jumper by Dehesa, hindi pumasok yan. Kuha ni Jervy Cruz ang rebound. And if you're Kia, siyempre, you don't want to get down by 2 bigs early in this game. You want to keep a bit close para may chance ka naman sa second half. Kinyahan nagharap ng kakampi. The bus kay Ibanez. 10 seconds remaining sa Raynor Shine shot clock. T.Y. Tang jacks it up from 3. And he nails that.
Pero sinasabi natin, 0 out of 25 ng isang game. You don't want to play them tonight. They might throw in everything.
Nakaisa na agad, T.Y. Tang. Wala pa yung Jeff Chan sa loob ng playing court.
Or Paul Lee, no? And an early timeout here. Maybe a 30-second, maybe a full timeout.
Second na nga, tinawag ni Coach Glenn Capasso. Immediately trying to calm his boys down. Dahil parang ginulpit-gulat sila agad ng Raynor Shine. Immediately racing to an 8-point victory. You know, the starters of this ball game we weren't able to mention is T.Y. Tang, Kinyahan, and Ibanez. Together with the Cruz boys, Jericho and Jervy. Para kay Coach Yan Yao. Sa kabilang panig naman for Kia, Rudy Linganay, Carl Dehesa at the backcourt. Angelus Bogs Raimundo ang gitna, Rael Cervantes and Alvin Padilla at the forward.